Avocado e pachoka Ernest Mudhomi oyango ni nitiere geno ni nengo mar olemo no dhi idho malo jumbe mabiro kaluwore gi nok mar olemo no e chiche mag pinje maoko. E kinde manotwa gi jopur e gwenge ma Makenene mayudore e kaunti ma Nyamira, Mudhomi nojiwo jopur makono mondo donjie riwruoge mopogore opogore mag jopur avocado, gino mabiro konyogi e choko olemb avocado moromo minyalo chwal e chirni maoko. Jatelo no bende noyango ni giseyudo chirni e pinje mag China kaachiel gi India ka pek magikale sani en nok mar avocado maginyalo chwalo e chirni go. Jopur makono norwako wach makamano gi mor ka giywago
through cooperatives such as this, so that where we are going to the future, they can be able to process these avocados and even sell and even export directly to the market. We as the society have the network, the international network. And the challenge we have is sometimes we don't have the volumes. But we know when people get together, when farmers get together, they can aggregate the produce. Even at the moment, they can negotiate for better terms.
We can be able to take care of our farm. The challenges we are facing so much is the collection of the fruits. Like last week, the vehicle we had, we collected the whole day up to midnight because we don't have an aggregation center. We'll appreciate if we are given an aggregation center, coolers where we can collect our fruits so that when there is an exporter coming to pick the fruits, he picks from one point.
The rate of unemployment kwa hii country yetu iko very high. That's why I'm calling upon other youths to embrace agriculture. We have already seen in Nyamira County other stakeholders, the likes of MasterCard and Practical Action wameingilia kati ili kusaidia vijana kwa kilimo. We calling upon other stakeholders, the county government, ili waweze kuingilia kati pia waweze kusaidia vijana.
I just call upon the county governments and the government in general to support farmers with seedlings because most of the farmers are facing challenge ya ku receive immature seedlings, and at the end of the day waki transplant to the farm tunapata kwamba zile seedlings zinakufa.